Hey, it's Michael again, and you just finished your book from start to finish, from learning how to write with AI, learning how to proofread and edit with AI, and learning how to create the images, and now you want to just press publish. We're so close to doing that. So right now you want to make sure you've saved your book as a file. Now you want to make sure you go over to Kindle Create, and this is how all of the stuff actually happens. Now I want to create new, choose continue, book title. So I'm just going to call this bonus chapters, author name, Michael Shaw, publisher, I don't know, sorry. Now I'm going to have to choose the file. So bonus chapters docs. Now obviously I'm not going to just make this book. Here we are, bonus chapter 1, new beginning. Awesome. So close to getting this finished. Chapter title, I'll call it bonus chapter 1 will come down to bonus chapter 2 right here. Yep, bonus chapter 2 is called The Edge of Tomorrow. That's what it put it as. I'm happy with that. So format. Okay, now I want to go over here, and this is table of contents. Yes, okay. So now it put in my contents, bonus chapter 1 and The Edge of Tomorrow. So it automatically knows what my page is, so which is really nice. And it automatically formatted your book. It's super easy. All you have to do is grab your file, upload your file to Kindle, and put headings on your chapters, and it'll automatically format everything. It is super easy to do. And now you just go over here. See, look, if I want to preview it, I can. This is what it'll look like on an ebook. And yeah, that's it. It's so easy. And over here, you can add back matter like about the author, books by this author, acknowledgement. I did about the author and acknowledgement. That is what I did for my book. It's incredibly easy. Again, I wrote out my bio and then I had chat fix it for me to make it sound, flow, and word a lot better. The same process I did for the book. And that should be it. Then you just hit save, and this is it. Boom. Now the next step you need to do is just go on Amazon and hit upload a book, and you should be all set. I'm currently unable to upload a book right now, but yeah, it's very simple. This entire process, Amazon makes it incredibly easy to upload a book. So you just want to go to like KDP self-publishing, and from here, I'm unable to publish right now because I don't have an account, but it's incredibly easy to do. You go through, you list out what book your genre is. Mine is teen and young adult, fiction, science fiction with time travel. And I threw mine in very specific genres because it's easier for me to be the very best in my small genre or my small niche instead of very broad, because I'm unable to be seen in very broad, whereas if I'm very hyper niche, then I'm able to show my book. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this, and thank you for watching.